Anthony, he's just gonna backstop it so they don't push it off. What's he doing over that side? You want to move it? You don't have to. I said I left it up to you. I wanted you to know that this was happening to your vehicle. That would.
I wasn't told by the upper power.
That with precognition. I'm sorry. Being around you always pays off in riches, man, I'm telling you. You're familiar with the term familiarity breeds contempt? I think he's going to backstop it with that, truthfully, is what I thought. Oh, maybe they're actually going to lift it up with both of them? Yeah. The guy I went to high school with did laws, you know, like the people who put that fan in between the bars, believe, they put that big thing up. He did stuff like that, where if they dropped it, they wouldn't even find your body. It'd just be a wet spot on the ground.
Go, John.
I cut you loose, man. Go ahead.
I just see it go like this.
Yeah.
That thing has so much weight.
One of the best things I ever saw is in the Patchogue River.
I don't think
a marina.
I think he's doing that.
A marina on the Patchogue River. They took the back shell off of another forklift and put it on the back of a forklift to give it extra weight, and they welded it and tack welded it on there, and then they had extended the forks down, so they can go down to the water line even at low tide and pick a boat up and out. Yeah, the low boy is nice. Watch the rear wheels lift off the ground. Yeah. Driver.
Driver.
Get the brakes on. Get the brakes on.
amazing, isn't it? How big it is? It's like a caricature. It's like a cartoon. Yeah. It's okay by me. More nap time. He's even got the forks out a little bit on this side. Yeah, they're gonna plug it over this, put it on that, and then we're gonna go back it in. But right. Ah, okay. Nice. Gaining room. That forklift can pick the truck up too. You made all the payments, right, on the truck? It's the U.S. government. Don't worry about it.
They'll take care of me?
Yeah, they'll take care of you. They've only been fucking you for how many years now, right? Oh well, I was able to post this, now I can't.